Hello everyone, welcome to Autobots channel Kolkata. So if you have been following our channel, you have seen that recently we have posted few videos on tire inflators. First it was the Cubo tire inflator, then it was the Bergman tire inflator. Now I am going to share you today a personal experience that I had yesterday in which the tire inflator helped a lot. Tire inflators are an essential device that should be present in all the cars, and it's really helpful in an emergency situation. So one such emergency situation happened yesterday. What exactly happened yesterday and how the tire inflator helped me, I'm going to share you in this video.
The city of joy is beautiful at night, and we often go out and roam around the city after midnight. The number of cars and traffic is very low during night time, which makes the driving within the city even more joyful. Yesterday also we were driving in the city after midnight, and while we were in the Newtown area, I realized something was wrong with one of the rear tires. Well, the Virtus was giving me a warning for some time that one of the rear tires was having a low pressure. I didn't pay much attention to it. I parked the car on the side of the road and went out to check what is the problem. And it was what I thought it would be. I had a flat tire. The rear tire became completely flat and out of air. It was 1:30 am at night and we were stranded with a punctured tire in the middle of the night. At this point I had 4 options with me. First, call the roadside assistance, but they will take at least a few hours to come. Second, find a tire repair shop, which at this time of the night is out of the question. Third, take out the spare tire and put it on. And fourth, filling up the air with a tire inflator. Since I got the Bergman tire inflator few months back, I decided to put the tire inflator into action. I attached the power socket of the tire inflator with the 12 volt outlet of the car and the other point with the air nozzle of the tire and switched on the compressor. Within 2 minutes, my rear tire got completely filled with the desired air pressure, and I safely kept the tire pressure inside the car, and then we drove away. Next day, I would go to a local tire repair shop and get the puncture repaired. Thanks to the tire inflator, I didn't have to wait much in the middle of the night. It really made me happy that I had this car gadget with me during an emergency.
So that was my story where I was really helped by tire inflator. I thank myself for getting the device for my car. In fact, it's an indispensable device that every car should have. It's a real life experience that I had, and I just wanted to share you because the same situation can happen with you also while you are traveling or in the city or with anyone. So it's always better to prepare for the emergency because those things you cannot calculate. If the situation would have happened in the middle of the day, it would have been still right. I would have chosen to change the tire instead of filling up the air pressure. It would have taken me some time, but it's still okay because at daytime we can take a chance. But at night, especially if you are stuck in the middle of a highway or middle of nowhere, then changing a car tire, let's say if it's completely dark, there are no street lights, you're only having a torch and changing the car tire, it's not really safe and also it's very difficult. So it's always better to have a tire inflator with which you can inflate your car tire and you can just get away from the situation, go to a safe place, and then you can take necessary action like changing the car tire or just repairing the puncture. So that was my experience. Hope you liked it, and as always, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you and see you in our next video.